Good day, kids. Today is your English time. It's me again, your English teacher Jerlyn. Okay, so we will review our last lesson last Tuesday about B and sound. Okay, so did you remember that one? I hope you remember it. And I hope that you are excited to learn this morning. Okay, are you ready? Okay, great job. But before that, we will sing first our good morning song. Okay, are you ready to sing with that? Okay, so put your hands together like this and we will sing together. Okay, are you ready? Okay. Good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, and how do you do? How do you do, everybody? How do you do? Do. How do you do, everybody? How do you do? Do. I love you and you love me. Clap your hands and sing with me. I love you and you love me. Clap your hands and sing with me. Great job, kids. So let's say good morning, teacher Jerlyn. Good morning, classmates. Okay, so let's start our lesson this morning. It is about the letter B. Okay, what letter is this? It's letter B. And what is the sound of letter B? Do you know what is the sound of letter B? B sounds B. Again, can you see it again? B sounds B. Okay, so let's sing. The B sounds B. The B sounds B. Every letter make a sound. The B sounds B. Okay, so let me show you a pictures about letter B. Okay, so what picture is this? It's a bear. Okay, this is a bear. Bear starts with letter B. B, B, bear. The next one, what is this? It's a butterfly. Butterfly starts with letter B. B, B, butterfly. Okay, very good. What is the next picture? What is this? It's a balloon. This is a balloon. Balloon starts with letter B. B, B, balloon. Okay, great job, kids. The next one. Do you know what picture is this? It's a ball. Ball starts with letter B, right? B, B, ball. Okay, let's see it again. B, 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 bear. B, 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 balloon. Another one. B, 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 butterfly. Next. B, 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 bear. Okay, great job, kids. And the last picture, what is that? B, 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 ball. Okay, so this is a ball. Very good. So let's sing it again. Our B, letter B, and the sound. The B sounds B. The B sounds B. Every letter make a sound. The B sounds B. Again, the B sounds B. The B sounds B. Every letter make a sound. The B sounds B. Okay, kids. I hope you learned this morning and I want you to take a video, okay? Practice this one and then if you're ready to say it and sing with the B sound, you can take a video and then send it to our group, okay? You should sing the B sound and say the picture, okay? Okay, thank you so much, kids, for listening this morning. And I hope you will participate our lesson. Okay, we'll do our task this morning. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a great day ahead and see you again next time. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, kids.